Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to show the last ATCs or the ATC coins for the ATC Cards and Coins 2020 collaboration with Poetspice here on YouTube. It makes me sad because I've really enjoyed this collaboration and it's been really nice, and thank you everybody for stopping by and watching my videos. I so appreciate it. Thank you, Jamie, for allowing me to join this awesome collaboration with awesome crafters. I'll link everybody's channel down below so you can go check them out, and I'm sure everybody is sad that this is our last ATC video for this month. This week I decided to do some coins, and I used this it's like a metallic shimmer watercolor set that somebody graciously sent me and I don't know, I can't remember who. I've used this many times and I love the turnout it gives to my projects. So I used that. I used these Unity stamps, and I've used a different one in my in a birthday card I made for my niece, and I just love these dolls. I love all dolls. I mean, I have different ones. I have the Julie Nutting dolls. I have the Gorgeous Girl dolls. I just love them, and I believe these are my new favorites this year. Like, I would love to get more of them. I used watercolor paper. I used my all-purpose Ranger ink that I got at Tuesday Morning this year. Was it this year or last year? I don't know. It's my go-to ink. And my loyal words. So let me show you my coins this week. So these, I don't know if these have names. Do they have names? They might have names. This one is Planner Gal. Today, Angie Bloom. I think it's Planner Gal. I did some watercolor, and if you can tell the shimmer on the coin. It's so cool. Oh my gosh, guys. And I cut up the saying. It says, "Don't be afraid of change," and I just love how I kind of blended each color into each other. And then I inked around the edges with some vintage photo, and I love how they turned out. This one really turned out nice and crisp, but the other one is kind of not so. I'll show you in a minute. So that's my first coin. And then here's the other one, which you can, I mean, I think I can see it, but I think you can still see it. But look at the shimmer. I love it. And she has long hair, kind of reminded me of a mermaid. And then I wrote or cut out the saying that says, "Make this moment count." I love these little words because they're perfect for ATCs and little embellishments and things like that. So, and this one I also inked around the edges as well. And I just love how these came out. They're so cool. I want to put these on a card. So, okay, so I so appreciate everybody stopping by my channel and in my next video, I will be doing a drawing, and I'm just going to randomly pick a video and pick a winner. Now, when I pick the winner, I will show the prize. I'm not going to show it right now. So stay tuned for that. I believe I might be in another collaboration coming up in September. I'll let you all know. And yeah, so thank you, Jamie, for this collaboration. This was fun. I totally enjoyed it. And yeah, thanks everybody for stopping by and watching my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.